Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you that font right up there and show you how you can use that font, or TRW slashing font, and make some really cool and unique designs, kind of like the tails and things you see there. So it's our TRW slashing font. Let's just go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to type out Wildcats. Now you can see the slashes going through it. It's a cool, unique looking font that our graphic artist actually drew, and we created it into a true type font. But check this out. If I hit the and sign, it just drops that basketball in there with the tail, everything. That's a completed design right there, right? The explanation point's an actual explanation point. You got the number sign that's going to drop that with the different lines, and you can easily adjust all of that. The money sign is that. The percent sign is another tail. Above the 6, the little arrow there, another one. The and sign is regular, and then the star above the 8 is another one there as well. So let's just say I wanted to use this one right here and create it into a design. So have my design there. I can just take this. All I need to do, and you can see when I'm in my wireframe, it's a true type font that's overlapping and everything there exactly like we want it. We just come over here, we weld it together. We come over here to our materials. We go to a Caesar glitter. Maybe we want to turn it blue glitter. Boom, there it is. Size we want, 9.9 inches. How much do we have in cost in glitter? 53 cents. Let's throw it onto a shirt. Go to our mock-ups, click on the shirt, and in a matter of a minute there, we have Wildcats basketball. So another cool thing you can do with this font, using some of the other features, let's just use my number sign. And it's going to drop those 3 lines with the basketball. Cool, but they're the Wildcats baseball. Here's what I would do with this one. I'm going to take it. I want it to look nice first. So I'm going to hit B for break apart. I'm going to take this part of the design down there. It broke it all apart. I'm going to shrink that down a little bit. Now it's lined up perfectly, right? Now I'm going to take this area, okay? I'm going to convert it to curves, and then I'm going to break it apart. Now the basketball is going to turn into a lot. So it broke all of these different layers down there, which is no problem. Highlight it all. I'm going to hit Control G as in group. And then within the software, the TRW Design Wizard, watch what I'm able to do. I can go to change artwork. I want to swap it out for a baseball maybe that I have on my computer. So I'm going to type in baseball here. It's going to pull up all of my different baseball clip arts. I want this one there. Double click on it. It's going to swap out here, and now we have Wildcats baseball. Highlight the design. We can go ahead and just weld it together. Or if we wanted to, we could get a little crazy and we could do something like this. Maybe I want that to be a red glitter, and I'm going to click on both of those, weld it together. I want that to be a silver glitter. Click on these, weld them together, and I want that to be a blue glitter. Maybe the baseball is going to be blue, and the text, will highlight all of that and turn that to a red. And now we have a red, white, and blue design that looks really sweet. Click on my shirt, and now we have an awesome looking mock-up on this shirt right here. Again, in a matter of seconds with this font. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned a couple things about our font right here, our TRW slashing font. If you look in the description up below, there is a link that brings you directly to this unique font on the website at therhinestoneworld.com, and there's also a special coupon code just for watching this video that's going to give you a discount on this font right now. So thanks for watching. Of course, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the little bell, click that thumbs up like button if you like this video. Comment below, let me know what you think about this video. Thanks for watching, crew, and we'll see you soon. Later.